Hello, my name is Ansar Salawa. I am 15 years old. I attend to the technical school Lutfi Musici in Vostre, and from this project I learned a lot about other cultures and many more stuff.
Hello, I am Delian Zhigulova. I am 15 years old and I attend the technical school Lutfi Musici.
I'm Dalmata Teme. I'm 16 years old. I'm from a small village called Pestova. I'm from a school called Lupfe Musice, and I'm into programming.
Hello, I'm Milaz Echiri from Kosovo. I live in Vostre and my school is Lutfi Musici. In this project, I was impressed because I learned new things about different cultures and I also asked questions that impressed me about their culture.
I am Amar Selimi. I live in Kosovo. My school is called Lutfi Musici, and it is in Vostre. I like this project because I had the opportunity to get to know different cultures closer.
I am Riyad. I am 16 years old and I live in Kosovo. My school is called Lutfi Musici. I am very happy to be part of this project because I had the opportunity to get to know culture of different countries. Thank you.